Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about a beautiful waterfall called Athirappally. Athirappally is a beautiful waterfall situated in Panchayat in Chalakudi Talukkur of Thrissur district in Kerala, and that's in India. And it actually is on the Chalakudi river, which originates from upper reaches of Western Ghats at the entrance to the Sholai ranges. Now, if you want to reach here, it is around 51 kilometers from Kochi International Airport, and it takes about around 1 hour 15 minutes drive. So it's a beautiful waterfall, as you can see, and it's a great place to hang out with your friends, family, or loved ones, and just gives you peace of mind when you look at these beautiful scenery and the water falling, and it's so soothing when it comes to sound. So just a short drive from Athirappally to Untitled Falls, which is close to the dense green forest, and that they are home to many endangered and endemic species of flora and fauna. If you ask me what would be the best time to visit Athirappally waterfalls, well, it never dries out and can be visited anytime during the year, though the waterfall appears in its full glory during monsoons. I visited here in the month of November, and as you can see that it's beautiful even when you're going there in a non-rainy season. So the best time I would say to visit would be September to January, because if you have heavy rains, then the roads are quite narrow and it could be dangerous while driving. Also, it'll be interesting for you to know that Athirappally waterfall is one of the largest waterfall in Kerala, and its nickname is Niagara Fall of India. And Athirappally Falls is almost a character in the movie Bahubali, and it leads the hero to its destination in the film. If you ask me how do I reach over here, well, Chalakudi is the nearest junction to Athirappally, which is around 32 kilometers, and it is connected by bus with Thrissur, Kochi and Palakkad. So you can reach here by bus, or you can hire a private car as well, like I did. And Kochi airport is one of the nearest if you want to reach here, if you're coming by airplane. So enjoy the rest of the video.